Alright, so we're gonna start off with our warm-up. We're doing 50 pull-ups. You got no set amount of sets, anything. Just try to get as many as you can. Try to get those 50 as fast as you can, alright? Alright, so moving on to our first exercise, we're gonna do bent over dumbbell rows, but with both. And we're gonna be going 4 sets, 12, 10, 8, and 6. So we're trying to increase the weight as we're going along. Alright, moving on to the second exercise, we're going to go to this hammer strength lat pull down. We're going to take an underhand grip though, and we're going to go on 3 sets of 12 reps. We're going to go to another lat pull down, but this time we're going to lean all the way back. I'm going to move wide. I'm going to take a wide grip on this. That way we can hit it and pull back, alright? Alright, so we're going to end up with straight on lat pull downs. We're going to go 3 sets of 15 to 20.